Welcome everyone. So literally 99% of the people could not solve this kind of a question. The question is, what power of 7 will divide 80 factorial as it is? So whenever you have this kind of a question, you will divide 80 by just power of 7. Okay, now please understand, I can't go ahead because 80 divided by 7 cube, that would be what, 343. So this answer will come out to be 0 point something something, and here I am just bothered about the integer part of my answer. Okay, so here what we will do is 80 divided by 7. See, understand, the answer for this one comes out to be something in 11 point something something, but like I said, I'm just interested in the integer part of the answer. We'll just keep 11 as our final answer, plus 80 divided by 49, answer will be just 1. Okay, please understand, here if it was 11.9 also, I would not take the 9, I will just take the integer part. Okay, so please remember, you're not rounding off in this kind of a scenario. So please tell me what will be the final answer. The final answer will be 11 plus 1, which is just 12. So let understand, whenever you have something like this, if it was 7, you divided by powers of 7. If it was 6, you would have divided by powers of 6. Okay, now please and let me know the answer for this DIY question. What power of 11 will divide 100 factorial? Do let me know your answers in the comment section. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.